Hey, how's it going, everybody? This is Aaron from PCH Custom Audio Online Car Stereo in Murrieta, California. I'm gonna give you guys a video walkthrough of our Harley system we did here. So this is a 2017 Harley Softail edition. So the customer came into us. He's tried everything before. He did headphones. He's had some little Bluetooth speakers mounted up here. None of it was loud enough or clean enough, and it all looked ugly. While he's riding, he couldn't hear it. So what did we do? We designed a whole stealth system in this bad boy. So what we did is a MINI4S from Musway. This is a new amplifier that came out earlier in 2025. So the beauty of that amp, as you've seen in my other videos, is it has built-in Bluetooth. So we just get ignition on here. You connect your phone straight up to it. We got no radio, no RCAs, no cutting or splicing in anything. And then that is powering 4 Nemesis audio 6x9s in a custom baffle. So let me set this down here and let me open the bag so you can see our beautiful work here. So these are Nemesis Audio Pro drivers. They're 6x9 coaxes here. So we got 2 sets in here, another 2 in there. And what's cool is we made this custom baffle. So this actually all comes out and is all serviceable. So we got the Musway MINI4S down in there. We can get to all our crossovers and gains if we need to, tune it and service it. Everything is on quick disconnects, so we can actually take both bags off. And these baffles are really cool because they actually seal the sound into the output of the bag. So that way there's no sound really escaping out of here. It goes all out, which is what we want, so it can be super loud and clean while you're driving on the road. So let me plug in and let's give you guys a demo and see how it sounds. Okay. So again, we're gonna go Bluetooth straight in. I got a phone right here. So again, we're gonna go Bluetooth right into it. Let's turn the volume up and see what it sounds like.
Still I try. No rest for concepts in my mind. On my own, here we go.
Super clean.
I just feel like they're gonna blink. Light up and bullshit.
And as you can see, everything is hidden and sealed up.
Mouth is dry. My face is numb. The top is falling out in my